Welcome everyone to This Explainer. Let's just jump right in. Today, we're unpacking a fascinating but honestly highly overlooked aspect of hair care. Now, we all know and absolutely love the beauty and versatility of protective styles, right? Braids, wigs, extensions, locks, they're gorgeous works of art that shield our natural hair. But today, we're going to look beneath the surface. We're exploring a hidden layer of hair care that the industry just doesn't talk about enough, and it's all about the very foundation of your hair, your scalp.
So, I've got a question for you right off the bat, and it's a bit provocative. What is actually in your scalp right now? Think about it. We spend hours sitting in the stylist chair getting these beautiful protective styles installed. We lay our edges, we perfect the whole look, and we feel amazing. But beneath that flawless exterior, have you ever actually stopped to consider what's accumulating on your skin? We kind of just assume that if our hair looks good, our scalp is totally fine. But as we're about to see, that assumption might be secretly compromising your health.
Okay, let's look at the evidence. According to shocking findings from Consumer Reports and independent labs, popular synthetic hair extensions are actually leaching dangerous chemicals directly onto the skin. Let that sink in for a second. The synthetic hair touching your scalp right now, the adhesives keeping it in place, those heavy styling products, they aren't just sitting there innocently. They are actively depositing hazardous substances right at the root of your natural hair.
Section 1. Science of Scalp Toxicity, the chemicals beneath the surface.
When we break down the chemistry here, we aren't just talking about everyday dirt or a little dandruff. Not at all. We're looking at lead, which is literally a known neurotoxin. We're talking about phthalates, which act as hormone disruptors in your body. We're seeing VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, like benzene, which are classified as carcinogens. And finally, formaldehyde, a really harsh respiratory irritant. Now, why are these even there? Well, these chemicals are frequently used to coat synthetic hair to make it heat-resistant or to give it a specific texture. But the scary part is, they don't stay on the hair. They accumulate right there on your scalp.
Which brings us to a really crucial concept: systemic absorption. You see, your scalp is actually one of the most highly absorbent areas of your entire body. It's like a giant sponge. When you wear a protective style for a typical 4 to 8 week cycle, you are trapping those chemical coatings right against your skin. Throw in natural body heat, your daily sweat, and the constant friction of the hair rubbing against your scalp, those toxins are transferred directly into your body. This systemic absorption creates what researchers call a toxic load. It's what leads to chronic scalp irritation, that persistent itching, stunted hair growth, and overall hormonal risks. It creates this overwhelmed environment where healthy hair simply cannot thrive.
Section 2. Reset before you install a new philosophy. Take a look at the massive difference in approaches here. On the left, we've got the traditional routine. Most of us, and honestly even many stylists, simply install new protective styles right over layers of old buildup, product residue, and trapped toxins. It's exactly like building a beautiful house on a really dirty foundation. But on the right, we see the ToxiTress advantage. Their core philosophy is a total paradigm shift. Healthy hair doesn't start with styling. It starts with a clean, balanced scalp environment. You detox first, remove that hidden layer of heavy metals and chemicals, and then you install.
Section 3. The 5-step detox ritual, the mechanism.
So you're probably wondering, how do we actually get rid of these dangerous toxins safely, especially without loosening or ruining the protective style you just spent hours getting installed? Well, it all starts with what they call the heavy metal magnet. Look, regular clarifying shampoos just wash the surface, right? They can't penetrate deep enough to grab things like lead or phthalates. But ToxiTress uses mineral cleansers, specifically a blend of bentonite clay, kaolin clay, and activated charcoal. When you mix this into a smooth paste and apply it, these natural earth minerals act literally like a magnet. They bind to the heavy metals, the chemical coatings, and that deep-seated buildup, drawing them straight out of your follicles before anything else even touches your scalp.
Here's how it all comes together in their complete scalp reset ritual, which, by the way, takes less than 90 minutes from start to finish. Step 1 is that extract mineral cleanse we just talked about, our heavy metal magnet. Step 2 is the Restore Botanical Infusion. This uses natural ingredients like apple cider vinegar powder, green tea, and chamomile to completely reset the pH of your scalp and basically stop inflammation and itching dead in its tracks. Step 3 is the Purify Oil Elixir, where you massage in lightweight botanicals like argan and rosemary oil to condition everything without any greasiness. Step 4 targets the most fragile part of your hair using the Edge Repair Pen, utilizing pumpkin seed and green coffee bean oil to repair tension stress. And finally, Step 5 is the Velvet Clean and Quick Reset Spray, which locks in this amazing clean scent of citrus and sandalwood with absolutely no harsh synthetic fragrances. It's the whole shebang, a completely intentional 5-step reset.
Section 4. The cost of scalp care. Practical value.
Now let's talk numbers and practical reality for a second. If you go for a deep detox at a salon, it's going to run you anywhere from $75 to $150 for a single session. Plus, you have to book an appointment, travel there, and honestly, you often don't even know what exact ingredients they're putting on your head. On the flip side, a standard complete ToxiTress kit breaks down to about $14 to $19 per session. You do it yourself at home in under 90 minutes, and the ingredients are 100% transparent and naturally derived.
But what's really wild is this number right here, 75 cents. When you break down the complete kit's total capacity, because it includes up to 60 individual treatments across the different products like the Edge Pen and the sprays, the math is pretty revealing. The cost of professional-grade scalp protection drops to just 75 cents per application. That is literally pocket change to ensure you aren't absorbing neurotoxins into your bloodstream.
And to put that into perspective, it leads us to this staggering figure, $968. That represents the minimum annual savings you keep in your pocket by switching to the ToxiTress at-home system compared to booking those monthly salon detox appointments. So you're getting superior, targeted chemical removal, saving tons of time, and keeping nearly $1,000 in your bank account every single year. It's a real game changer.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this final thought and question. Will you reset your foundation before your next install? We've seen the science today. The hidden chemicals in synthetic hair and styling products are very real, and your scalp's ability to absorb them is just a biological fact. You invest so much time, so much money, and so much love into your protective styles. It's time to ask yourself if your current routine is secretly compromising your health, and if you are finally ready to stop ignoring the foundation. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this vital topic. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and definitely take care of your crown.